Word 2013, Unit H, Merging Word Documents. We need to send a letter to people who have recently booked a QST tour confirming their reservation and receipt of their non-refundable deposit. So we're going to need to send a general information packet to all of our participants in upcoming QST tours. I think you're really going to like this mail merge unit. So let's get started. So let's create our main document. The first step in performing a mail merge is to create the main document. That's the file that contains the text that we're going to begin with. We can create a main document from scratch. We can save an existing document as a main document, or we can use a mail merge template to create a main document. Now, the mail merge pane walks us through the process of selecting the type of main document to create. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll use an existing form letter for our main document. I've already started Word and I'm in a blank document. So first let's go to the Mailings tab and we're going to start our mail merge. Now notice we had to go to the Start Mail Merge button and the Start Mail Merge group. And we're going to come all the way down to the step-by-step mail merge wizard. If you look over here to the far right, you can see that we need to answer a few questions to begin, starting with selecting the document type. Notice there are a number of different document types that we can use. We can start with letters or email message. For instance, envelopes, labels. We're going to keep the default as letters. And down here I can see how I'm progressing through the steps. Right now I'm on step 1 of 6. And I'm going to go ahead and click Start Next, next starting document. Now we have an option in terms of selecting a starting document. We can use the current document. We can start from a template, or we can start from an existing document. I'm going to choose to start from an existing document, which gives me a few more options here. So I'm going to drop down here. Notice I have a few other files than you may have because I've been working on other documents. But I'm going to go ahead and click Open here. Oops, I opened the wrong thing. I meant to select more files and open, so let's do that. I need to find my files on the desktop where I've been saving all of these assignments. Come down to Word Unit H. And I'm looking for Word H-1. I'll go ahead and open that. Don't forget your files are out there on Canvas and available for you to download. Before I do anything else, I'll go ahead and File and Save As. Choose Computer and Desktop. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a slightly different name. Instead of WDH-1, I'll call this WDH-Deposit Letter Main. And save. I'm going to make a few changes to this document so that it's appropriate for this task. One, today is not September 24th, so that's the first thing I want to change. I'm going to go ahead and type in, notice I started typing in September, now I can just hit enter to accept that. I'll hit my space bar, and I see that Microsoft Word is willing to go ahead and enter that start date for me. So I'm just going to hit enter here as well. One additional change that I know I'm going to go ahead and make is my name is not Ron Dawson. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my name there as well. I'm going to hold down Control and hit the Home key to get back to the very top of my document. I'm going to go ahead and click Next to select my recipients, and we'll put selecting recipients on our next video.